Hello everyone, welcome back to Chopping Block. Today we are making a delicious and traditional Goan dish called Pineapple Sasav. This Konkani-style curry is a beautiful blend of sweet, spicy and tangy flavors made with ripe pineapple, coconut and mustard seeds. I tried this dish for the first time and I absolutely loved it. So stay tuned, watch the entire video and let's learn a new recipe together. For the curry base, we need half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 whole grated coconut, 7 to 8 red button chilies and 2 Kashmiri chilies for color. Grind all of these ingredients with sufficient water to form a coarse paste. In the meantime, slice and chop ripe pineapple into smaller cubes. To prepare the curry base, heat some oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Once they splutter, add the grounded mixture and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. For sweetness, add 1/4 cup of sugarcane jaggery. Cook on medium heat until it dissolves. Season with salt as required and add sufficient water to get a curry-like consistency. It's now time to add the chopped pineapple. Mix it really well and cover to cook for another 5 to 8 minutes until the pineapple gets a bit mushy in texture. The unique and flavorful sweet and tangy pineapple curry is ready to be served. Serve it with rice, with some greens, fried fish and you are good to go. Do try this recipe out and leave your comments down below to let us know how it turns out. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all super soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and stay safe.